Hello and welcome to Edmentum. So this is the view that you get when you first log into Edmentum to do your courseware. You have these cards and they show you what classes you have. We also have all of these over at the top. I'm not going to go over these. You guys know how to do messages. You can click here and get your progress report and click for your notes. I'll have a whole video on notes later, okay? But what I want to talk about is the courseware and how you actually navigate this courseware. Now notice right here on the card we already have my current grade and the number of things that I've completed out of the course or that Kat has completed. You're not going to have this end grade. That's just there because of a setting that's there, but you won't have that. So when I go ahead into the course, I can see my current grade, and that's the percentage. And right now, Kat could use some work, but Kat has only done 2 assignments, and Kat has only spent 37 seconds in the class. So no wonder she's getting a 60%, right? Notice that we can all see this, and you can see this. So you can see how much time you've been actually working on a class. So your goal is to make sure this number and this number are as high or as good as it can be, right? You want this number to be good, and you want to get this progress bar complete. Now, the outline of the course is here for you, so you have the whole outline. Every course always starts with a student orientation, and I've already gone through the orientation and gotten a check mark. The student orientation is the same in every course, so once you do it once, you can skip it. And also every class comes with a syllabus. That's a good thing to look at. That's going to be a PDF that is going to tell you all about your course, and it is a good idea to read through this and know what the goals are and the expectations of any course. This is just a great place to learn about your course. Now, as soon as I open that, it automatically marks it complete. So now that activity is complete. So I want to point out to you when I go down to units, I'm going to click show, and it's going to show me the whole unit. I have this key. So green means it's been completed, right? Just like my key up here. And then we have orange, which means it's in progress but not done. And this one's not done because I got a 40% on it. So I need to go back in, redo the tutorial, and do it again. Now for this one I have I have the blue half circle, which means it's in progress, and it says that it's in progress even once you've submitted it. So this has been submitted and I'm waiting for a score. So really this activity is waiting on the teacher. So what I should be doing is coming back to biochemistry. Now I do want to point out you're going to have a study activities reminder in every single unit. So when you come to that, that is reminding you that you need to be working on these things while you're doing the class. So you should be taking notes and turning those into your teacher, and then whatever your activities are that the teacher tells you to do for your engagement points. If you come, I'm going to go ahead and close this, and it's going to go ahead and tell me that it is done, right? But I'm going to close this and go back. And I want to point out that at the end, there are the places to turn these in. So study activities, this is where you turn in your notes. And I'm going to go ahead and press play on it. And I can see the file with the directions, right? Different ways that you can do, and you can certainly just do the guided notes, and I'm going to go over how to do these. But this is what you get, and you can come in here and upload a file and attach it for your notes. So let's pretend that this file is my notes. I could click open, it's going to upload the file, and I can turn in my notes that way. You can also just share them with your teacher because you're seeing your teacher, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and exit. Oh, I have to click submit selected files. So if I submit the file, now I'm going to go ahead and exit. And notice it's going to change to score pending, right? So you want to make sure you're doing all these study activities and everything in the unit before you can start this post-test. I hope that you have a great school year. And once again, welcome to Edmentum Courseware.